exposed. And today's topic is to create the best critical thinking in the art of personal.
Where curiosity meets courage and we celebrate the art of questioning.
I understand, but you did mention somewhere in one of your slides about problem solving. Yeah.
Idea is that even if I'm not talented initially, if I'm not great at something, if I continue to do it over time, I will become better, if not the best.
Mainly of one political philosopher, Hobbes, and he also tried to link human psychology with biology.
समाधान तक पहुंचाने से अच्छा था कि उसके आप संधान या उसकी आप आकलन, सम्यक आकलन जिसको हम कहते हैं, समालोचन जिसको कहते हैं, ऐसा कुछ सोचा।
ये जो प्रॉब्लम है, नेक्स्ट स्लाइड पे हम जाएंगे, तो इसको रिजॉल्व करने वाली सबसे बड़ी कंपनी आज के टाइम के आप 4-5 नाम लें, इट्स एप्पल, इट्स माइक्रोसॉफ्ट, इट्स गूगल।
So it was a very nice session, and honestly, Analytica, we wait for it the whole year.
We had already started working on our first project, which was inspired by Sri Krishna Chandiwala's Dilli Ki Khoj Finance.
As a second year, I feel this session was exceptionally for the second years. Because for first years में तो बस आप explore कर रहे हो. Second year होते हैं जिनको बिल्कुल पता नहीं क्या करना है, कैसे करना है, पूरा pressure होता है. And this has also helped me because I was going to take a step, like another step in my life. But now it has like kind of like influenced me to think more about it and take the right decision. So yeah.
That is very deeply rooted to Mary Shelley's personal loss of her own children. So you need to explore that a little bit.
Mainly of one political philosopher, Hobbes, and he also tried to link human psychology with biology.
कुछ एनालाइज करने की कोशिश की जाती है, प्रॉब्लम सॉल्विंग, प्रॉब्लम्स को कई बार जैसे समस्याएं आपको द्वंद्व देती हैं,
It was really lovely to hear all of you, all your ideas, whatever you were coming up with. And also, being a person from theatre, I really enjoyed some of your performances a lot. Because of course, debate also is something that brings in the element of performance. Yes, how you express your ideas, how you keep them in front of people. So lovely. I think we do have a bright future in the country, no matter what we keep saying on our internet posts. Right.
Hi everyone. I got a great opportunity to judge this event for Coach, and it was lovely. And the team spirit was so high, the organization was really good, and the participants were very active, very engaging, very wholesome crowd, and the debate went up and down, but in the end the energies were really high, and I think we ended on a very high note. The last debates were the best ones, which won the competition, but overall I think everyone was very jovial, and it was a really great event, and I loved judging it. I loved coming back to college, meeting Coach, seeing all of the young birds coming through, and very, very grateful. And thank you so much to Professor Swati Pal also came in, and thank you so much forever to Gil ma'am for just this opportunity. And I cannot believe most of the time that this is real, and very, very grateful, very happy. Best wishes to all. Thank you.
It was a very nice session. I honestly had so much fun, and the speaker was actually really. The session was very insightful. The speaker was very well said.
With a sandwich in your hand, that was the best thing about the event. Sandwich handover फिर
Oh my god.
भाग जाओ सबके सब.